Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. I'm here to help brand new crafters go from feeling overwhelmed, uncreative, and unsure how to begin to feeling inspired, excited, and proud to share their new creations.
Today, I've got a fabulous new technique to show you. It's one that I just learned, and I call it the Dauber to stamp technique. You'll soon see why. I'm going to start by running my Cajun Craze cardstock through the embossing machine with my Timber 3D embossing folder. For this technique, I'm going to be using 2 different stamps from 2 different stamp sets and 3 different ink pads. I'll start by inking up my stamp with crushed curry and then stamping off on my scrap paper. Next, I'll use my Daubers to add ink from the other 2 ink pads randomly around the stamp. Finally, I'll stamp the image onto my project. All 3 colors will show. I'll clean my stamp completely before starting the process over again. Ink up with crushed curry. Stamp off. Add color with Daubers. Stamp on project. Clean and repeat. Ink up with crushed curry. Stamp off. Add color with Daubers. Stamp on project. Every leaf will look a little bit different. Now I'm going to use a water painter to blend these colors a little bit. The water painters have a small water reservoir in the handle and an area that says push. Squeeze this area to move water into the reservoir so the bristles of the brush get wet. I'll add just a bit of water to each leaf and paint to blend the colors. Notice the difference between the leaf I've painted and the leaf that I haven't. Which do you prefer? I'm going to stamp some speckles now in soft suede ink. I don't want them to overpower my leaves, so I'm going to stamp off on my scrap paper every time before stamping on my project. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'll embellish with some silver pearls from the Festive Pearls collection. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more projects and videos, my events calendar, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!